big brother in there that's probably getting irritated. We got okay. I've been building my own PC, and I'm a lot farther along in the process than I probably should have started recording. I figured that I would just... I didn't think about the whole vlog or making a video out of it of some sort until my cousin Ed, who actually helped me with this, thank you very much, until later. I didn't think about making a vlog out of it until later, so I guess without further ado, let's take a look at the build. If you can't tell, I'm installing Windows as of now. Well, now here it is. We got some light going on in there. I think I could have changed that a little bit as time goes on. Pretty nifty though. I don't know how well you could see it, but that's it. Here, let me see if I can flip this around. There we go. That's a little better. Alright. That is the AMD Ryzen 7 processor with the, can't remember what the fan's called, but that was the last thing I got, dumbly enough. That's the, fucking card. If you want to know, this is the motherboard box. That's the motherboard there. This is the motherboard here. Asus Prime B350MA. That's it. Windows is starting to install now. I already updated the motherboard BIOS, which was a lot easier than I thought. I guess I'll show you how smooth it runs, let you know, give you a little review here in the end. Sorry I couldn't show you more of the process. Sorry I don't know more about the process, really. I got a lot of help from my cousin Ed, who, without him, I couldn't have done any of this shit, though. So I am eternally grateful for that, man, because this is something I wanted to do for a long time. Just build myself a computer that I can maintain and upgrade over time without having to just re-buy them over and over again. I could just buy new parts and shit. But yeah, sorry it's not a lot cooler than it could have been. But I guess from here on out, I'll keep you updated on future upgrades and shit. Even though for right now, I think this one's beastly enough. Set me back, I don't know the exact number, but right around 8. Right around $900 over the span of a few weeks. Some tax money helped a lot. Yeah, off we go. Here we go. Water. All right, setup is starting. Activate Windows. I don't have a key. Okay, so I just edited my first video on the new computer. I need to look right here. And it's a 40. What's the length of it? Stream length is 19 minutes 7 seconds. Isn't a lot. Isn't a lot. But before on my laptop, for a 20-minute video, it probably would have taken like 5-6 hours to process and render. This one, 23 minutes 30 seconds. It maxed out at 25. Fuck yeah, is that better? For an hour to an hour and a half long video before on my laptop,
took anywhere from 12 to 16 fucking hours to render. Looking at this, 4 hours tops for a full video, if that. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Okay, so I almost didn't do this in time. I gotta hurry up and say it. I gotta say it fast. I just put it on one of the higher settings for video, and this thing's over an hour long. This is the full episode 3 of Jam Up, Jeff and Mark's Untitled podcast, and it is fucking encoding in AVC HD, full HD. I'll just let you see how fucking fast it's going. You see that? That says 5 minutes.
Shut up, boys.
Look at it. Are you seeing this? Now let's hope that the quality is as good as I think it's gonna be. Because if it is, that's unfucking believable. Oh, my lord, I was in the fucking Stone Age. I was in the Stone Age. I was the damn Flintstones. Whew. I can't believe this. This has to be too good to be true. This has to be. Fuck. I'm speechless. I'm speechless. Okay. Well, that was a little too good to be true, I guess. If you're thinking, wow, this seems like a different time, it's because it is. This is a few days. A couple days later, because I tried to figure this shit out. Anyway, long story short. It didn't come out as good. I mean, it looked good. The video quality looked good, but it was a little choppy. There were parts where the color would just go crazy and have these weird like purple bars all over the place and shit like that. And I haven't tested it out with the actual raw footage, the original file type of the video, because what I do is I convert it's like MTS2 or something like that. It's the big HD files that come on the Sony cameras, or that they output on the Sony cameras. Huge files, like an hour or so long video on my camera, on my good camera. Sometimes is over 10 gigabytes. Most of the time it's like anywhere from 8 to 9. Depending on the video quality, but and for couple hour long videos, it's like 20 some gigabytes. So I usually convert them to MP4, so the video quality is still pretty HD, but then the video files are smaller. So in the end, editing everything together with effects and titles and everything, music and whatnot, it's not a massive file that's going to take a day to upload to YouTube and like a day to process. With this computer, it'll probably take like a half a day. So I haven't tried that yet, but I think the reason that it didn't work or didn't come out that great is because it was actually upscaling it again. Maybe, if that makes any sense or if that even is correct. But that's what I assume. But still doing it the way I usually do, as just an AVC MP4 file in the end to put on YouTube, so much faster. Oh my god, it was like an hour and a half, 2 hours to do it. Yeah. Again, I apologize for the mess. Screen keeps changing colors. Alright. Got a monitor. Took me a while to get it to hook up though because of the different hookups. There's me. I'm actually editing the video you're probably watching right now. Well obviously if this is in it. Had to buy this little converter here for VGA to DVI-D. Got it on Amazon, I think it was like $9. Connects back to the computer, or the monitor. Which I could use that monitor. I got this other one over here. I just gotta buy a VGA to HDMI cable, which is like $20 on Amazon. For it to also provide audio. But I guess I don't really need audio for a second monitor, would I? Now that I think about it, yeah, I could probably save a few bucks by not doing that. Yeah. So, haven't quite got it set up the way I wanted. It's like facing me and stuff. And I'll probably rearrange a little bit to get it right, but that's the setup. The boys are liking it. Need to get away from the cords though. Thank you. I got a piece of paper as a mouse pad because apparently laser mouses don't work on glass. Makes sense. All in all though, I'm pretty freaking happy with this thing. I don't know if I actually showed you the tower at all. I got the cords for the reset switch in the wrong spot, but I don't really care. When do I ever reset my computer? I guess if you know a good reason to do it, let me know and I'll do it. Thanks, Ed, for the DVD drive. Actually, you got me the monitor too. I paid you for that one, but you gave me this one for free pretty much, so thank you. I'll throw you a few bucks for that if you want, just let me know. Again, I apologize for the mess, but you got me a keyboard. Wireless keyboard and mouse for $20 on Amazon. Not the greatest, but it gets the job done. Didn't particularly want yellow, but it was between that and white, and I didn't want white. So. But yeah, I'm really happy. I hope this video suffices. Really didn't give you too many technical specs, I guess. I don't really know a lot of them. That's what my cousin Ed was for. So thank you again, Ed. This video is mostly for you. So I guess if you want me to do a follow-up, let me know some things you want me to throw in there. Yeah. Thanks for watching. For all you others that aren't Ed, please subscribe. I'm trying to reach 100 subscribers on YouTube. We get a special benefit. Like and share, subscribe. Thanks.